Do you dream of having skin so youthful and radiant that people mistake you for a teenager no matter your age? Well, today, I've got a magical remedy just for you. With the power of simple, natural ingredients like potato and olive oil, this cream will make your skin look fresh, flawless, and glowing like a 16-year-old. Imagine saying goodbye to wrinkles, dark spots, and dullness forever. Sounds exciting, right? But wait, before we dive in, let me give you a sneak peek of the results. With regular use of this cream, you'll notice your skin becoming smoother, brighter, and healthier. It's a complete game changer. Curious to know how this works? Stay tuned. Hello, my beautiful viewers. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so you never miss out on amazing beauty tips and natural remedies. And hey, if you find this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up. It really motivates me to keep bringing you the best content. All right, let's dive into this magical recipe. But as always, I like to keep things fun and interactive. So here's a little question for you. What do you think makes potato such a powerful ingredient for skincare? Take a guess and comment below. Don't worry, if you're not sure, I'll reveal the answer soon. Let's dive in. Ingredient 1, potato. Let's start with the star of our recipe, potato. Did you know that potato is packed with natural bleaching agents, vitamins, and antioxidants? These help brighten your skin, reduce dark spots, and even out your complexion. Here's our potato. First, take one medium-sized potato and rinse it thoroughly under running water to remove any dirt. Now, we'll boil the potato. Add enough water to cover it completely and let it simmer on medium heat for about 15-20 minutes, or until it's soft. Trust me, this step is crucial because the smoother your paste, the better it will absorb into your skin. Now, peel off the skin. You'll notice how soft and creamy the potato feels, perfect for creating a smooth paste. Chop the potato into chunks. This will make it easier to grind into a paste. Add the pieces into a blender or grinder and add little water in it. Blend until you get a smooth, lump-free paste. Trust me, this step is crucial. Having a silky texture ensures the cream spreads easily and absorbs better into your skin. Now, here's a question for you. Do you think potato works better raw or boiled for skincare? Let me know in the comments. Personally, I believe boiling it unlocks its full potential. What do you think? Finally, transfer the smooth potato paste into a bowl. Look at that creamy goodness. This is our base for the magical cream. Now, here's a question for you. Do you think potato works better raw or boiled for skincare? Ingredient 2, olive oil. Next up, we have olive oil, a timeless beauty secret. Olive oil is rich in antioxidants and healthy fats that deeply nourish and hydrate your skin, leaving it soft and glowing. Add tablespoons of olive oil to the mashed potato paste and mix it well. While mixing, let me ask, did you know olive oil also boosts skin elasticity? This makes it perfect for reducing fine lines and wrinkles. If you didn't know, now you do. Ingredient 3, almond oil. Now, let's add 1 tablespoon of almond oil. This golden elixir is a powerhouse of vitamin E, which repairs and rejuvenates your skin, giving it a youthful glow. Mix it in thoroughly, and you'll notice the cream becoming silky smooth. Quick question, what's your favorite skincare ingredient with vitamin E? Comment below. I'd love to know. Ingredient 4, honey. Next, we're adding 1 tablespoon of honey. Honey isn't just sweet, it's a natural humectant, meaning it locks in moisture and keeps your skin hydrated. Plus, it adds a beautiful glow to your complexion. It's my go-to remedy for achieving 100% guaranteed results. And trust me, you'll fall in love with how it transforms your skin. Mix it well and get ready for the next magical ingredient. Ingredient 5, wild turmeric. Now comes a pinch of wild turmeric. This ancient spice is famous for its anti-inflammatory and brightening properties. It helps fade scars, blemishes, and uneven skin tone. Just a pinch is enough to do wonders. Wild turmeric is 100% your best bet for achieving that whitening and brightening effect. And trust me, it's going to transform your skin like magic. Here's the thing, kitchen turmeric is a big no for this face pack. Why? Because it can stain your skin and doesn't deliver the same powerful benefits. Wild turmeric, on the other hand, is gentle, effective, and leaves no stains, just radiant, glowing skin. It's perfect for tackling pigmentation, uneven skin tone, and dullness. If you can't find Kasturi Haldi, don't worry. Drop me a comment below and I'll guide you on where to get it, whether you're in India or the USA. This one little ingredient is a game changer you don't want to miss. Ingredient 6, aloe vera gel. Finally, we're adding 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. This cooling gel is perfect for soothing, hydrating, and repairing your skin. It also works as a carrier, helping all the ingredients absorb deeply into your skin. Mix it thoroughly, and your magical anti-aging cream is ready. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, it's time to apply this magical cream. This step will bring out the real magic, so let's do it together. Clean your face thoroughly with a gentle cleanser. Take a generous amount of the cream and apply it evenly all over your face and neck. Massage in gentle, circular motions for 5 to 7 minutes to let the nutrients sink in. Leave it on for 20-30 minutes, allowing it to dry and work its magic. Rinse it off with lukewarm water and pat dry with a soft towel. Use this cream 3 to 4 times a week, and you'll start noticing visible results within a week. Leave it on for 20-30 minutes, allowing it to dry and work its magic. Your skin will feel softer, smoother, and visibly younger. Store the cream in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It stays fresh for up to a week, so you can make it in small batches and enjoy its full benefits. Trust me, this cream is a lifesaver for anyone looking to revive their skin. Whether you're dealing with wrinkles, dullness, or uneven skin tone, this remedy will leave you amazed. That's it for today's magical recipe. I hope you try it out and experience the transformation yourself. Don't forget to share your results with me in the comments below. I'd love to hear your success stories. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on more amazing remedies. See you in the next video. Until then, stay beautiful and confident. Bye.